In this video, we are going to show you how to change your engine oil on this Mercury Grand Marquis between the year ranges of 2003-2011 on this 4.6 liter engine. The engine oil filter will be located underneath the front of the engine and the drain plugs down along the bottom on the oil pan. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Open your hood and make your way over to the passenger side valve cover. That's where you'll find your oil cap. Turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Once it's off of there, you'll see exactly what type of oil to use, 5W20. You want to make sure you have 6 quarts of this on hand. That's how many it takes to fill it. Let's give this a quick inspection, make sure that the seal is still in good condition, and then set it aside. Now let's make our way underneath the front of the vehicle, looking for the oil pan drain plug. We'll use a 16mm wrench. Start removing the drain plug by turning it counterclockwise, making sure that you have your collection bucket under the area. At this point, we'll clean down the engine oil pan and install our drain plug. Once the drain plug's in there, torque it to 17 foot-pounds. Make sure you clean up your mess. Move along to removing your engine oil filter. Now we can move along. In front of the engine, you're going to find the power steering pump, and just below that is your engine oil filter. If you were to look underneath the engine oil filter, you'll find that you have a black plastic funnel making its way down this way. Make sure you put your collection bucket underneath this area so you can recycle that fluid properly as well. To remove the oil filter, make sure you have an engine oil filter wrench. We'll put this on here and turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it. There's the filter. Go ahead and make sure you dispose of that properly. Before you get ready to install your new oil filter, make sure you clean down the engine. Make sure you wipe this down so you remove any dirt, debris, or remaining gasket. Now it's time to prime our engine oil filter using brand new 5W20 oil. What I mean by that is we're going to pour some oil straight into the center here. After we get a little bit of oil inside there, you want to also make sure you use a gloved finger with a little bit of oil on it and coat the seal all the way around. Let's install this in the vehicle. Carefully install your engine oil filter by putting it up into place and turning it clockwise until it's fully seated. Once you've got this bottomed out, continue tightening it another quarter turn. At this point, we'll make sure we clean down the area. You don't want any residual engine oil sitting in this area and then falling down onto the ground. Make your way back up top. We're going to continue on by putting a funnel into the fill neck here, and then finish adding the rest of our 6 quarts of 5W20 oil. Once you've added all 6 quarts, continue on by reinstalling your engine oil cap. After that's in place, go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for approximately 30 seconds and turn it right back off. Assuming you're on a nice flat level surface, it'll be time to check the engine oil level. Alright, now that we ran the vehicle, let's make our way over towards the driver's side. Underneath the air filter inlet is where you're going to find your engine oil dipstick. Go ahead and pull that right out of there and wipe it off. Before we put it back in to check the oil level, let's have a peek right along here. You'll find on the very end of the dipstick, you have 2 little dots, and in between those is a hatched area. You want to make sure that you're inside the hatched area as close to the top as possible, but never over this top dot. If you're over it, you need to drain out a little bit of oil. Let's put this back in and check that oil level. There we are. As you can tell, we're almost near the top of those hatch lines, which tells me we're in the perfect area. We'll wipe this off and reinstall it. Okay friends, we showed you how to replace your engine oil. At this point, you can go ahead and start up the engine one more time. Take a peek underneath the vehicle and make sure you don't have any leaks. Aside from that, close the hood and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.